Today we are going to work on page 60 and 61. First, you need to listen to the recording and fill in the missing letters to complete the sentences.
Listen and repeat the sentence. Arthur R. is in a farmyard. It is dark and his car will not start.
Now, use your stickers to label the picture above. And by the way, there is one new word to read and learn. You know where you have the sheet for stickers, so take the stickers and stick them to the page. And in page 61, we need to do some serious work. First, let's read the sentence that you have. His car did not start. His car did not start. And you have 4 words: boat, horse, eat, jump. And you need to make up your sentence, your new sentence. You can substitute 1 or 2 words, so you can use 1 or 2 words to make similar sentence like this, like you already have, but to make your new sentence using 1 or 2 words. For example, his horse did not jump. So you use the words horse and you use the word jump. And you left the same, did not, and his. So you changed the words horse and you changed the word jump. Think and try to make another sentence. For example, I can use the word horse and the word eat. What it will be? His horse did not eat. What if I will take the word boat? What it will be? His boat did not start. So write your own sentence. The next sentence we have, she eats fish with a fork. She eats fish with a fork. Let's see the words that we have. Jam, spoon, cat, he. So what we can change? We can change the word eats. We can change fork. We can change he, she. So what words you can make? Let's have a look. For example, she eats jam with a spoon. Try your sentence. The next one, he likes sport on Sunday. He likes sport on Sunday. And you have 4 words: Friday, arm, she, singing. We can change he for she. She likes sport on Sunday. We can change Sunday for Friday. She likes sport on Friday. We can change sport for singing. She likes singing on Sunday. So make your word and write it down. Number 4. The scarf is for Arthur. And we have 4 words: dark, dog, card mark. So try to change the words and make up your own new sentence.